हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अंडरस्टैंड विद दिया। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस एक्ट 2 सीन 5। पिछली वीडियो में हम लोग ने एक्ट 2 सीन 4 ख़त्म कर लिया था और आज हम एक्ट 2 सीन 5 कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So here, scene 5, Venice. Before Shylock's house, enter Shylock and Lancelot. So here, कौन सा स्ट्रीट है यहाँ पे? पहले तो हम लोग को कभी कभी पूछते हैं कि ये सीन कहाँ पे हुआ था. सो यू हैव टू राइट वेनिस, ओके. एंड देन यहाँ पे कौन है? शाइलॉक और लैंसलॉट की बातचीत हो रही है. सो फर्स्ट जो है वो शाइलॉक है. वेल दो shall see thy I shall be thy judge, the difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. What Jessica, thou shalt not gormandize as thou hast done with me. What Jessica, and sleep is nor and rent apparel out by Jessica, I say. So now here Shylock बोल रहा है कि well, you'll see means he is telling to Lancelot. वो Lancelot अपने सर्वेंट से बात कर रहा है. Lancelot कौन था? उसका पहला सर्वेंट था. पहले उसका सर्वेंट था, अब नहीं है. तो जब लैंसलॉट वहाँ आता है तो वो बोल रहा था वेल, you'll see it with your own eyes and you'll judge with your own eyes the difference for working between Shylock and Bassanio. Means you will see the difference between working for Shylock and Bassanio. Why he says that? Because Lancelot left the service of Shylock and joined Bassanio. Therefore, he sees that you will see with your own eyes and judge by yourself the difference between Shylock and Bassanio. Then he calls for Jessica. He says, where are you, Jessica? And then, thou shall not gormandize. Gormandize means over it. Here see, gormandize means over it. Okay. So he says that, where are you, Jessica? You won't eat like a pig like you used to do at my place. Means don't overeat like you do at my place. What, Jessica? Then he again calls Jessica. Where are you, Jessica? And sleep and snore and rent apparel out. Means कि sleep and snore and wear your clothes out. Jessica, किधर हो तुम? Means I am calling you. He says that. Now Lancelot. Why Jessica? Then he says Jessica means Lancelot also calls Jessica. Then Shylock says, who bids the call? I do not bid the call. So he says that who asked you to call her? तुम किसने कहा कि तुम उसको बुलाओ? I am not asking you to call her. I am not asking you to call her. Lancelot. Your worship was wont to tell me that I could do nothing without bidding. So Lancelot बोलता है कि you always loved to tell me that I can do this, I can do this. Means you always ordered me. So now you have no right to tell me what I can do and what I can not do. Now enter Jessica. Now here enters Jessica. Jessica, call you. What is your will? So Jessica बोलती है, did you call me? What do you means? Do you need anything? Do you need anything or something? So Shylock, I am bid forward to supper, Jessica. So he is telling that I am being invited to supper for dinner, Jessica. There are my keys. Means take these keys, or here are my keys. But whereof should I go? So then he says, but why should I go? Then I am not bid for love, they flatter me. So he says that I know I wasn't invited because of they like me. They are just flattering me. Then but yet I'll go in hate to feed upon that prodigal Christian. Jessica, my girl, look to my house. Then he says that, but I'll go out of hatred to to feed off that wasteful or spendthrift Christian. Now here, prodigal. Prodigal means spendthrift. Spendthrift means who wastes his money too much. The person who wastes his money too much. So here he says that I'll go in hated, and to feed that spendthrift Christians. Jessica, my girl, look to my house. I am right loath to go. There is some ill a brewing towards my rest, for I did dream of money back tonight. Then he says that, Jessica, my girl, watch my house or watch the house, and I don't feel like going because there aren't going my way right now. Means कि मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे जाने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा है और मेरे हिसाब से चीज़ें नहीं चल रही हैं. बट आई नो बिकॉज आई ड्रीम्ड ऑफ मनी बैग. मनी बैग मीन्स कि मैंने एक मनी बैग ड्रीम किया था, ड्रीम में देखा था लास्ट नाइट. सो कभी कभी क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज़ द ड्रीम जो शाइलॉक ने देखा था. सो दिस इज द ड्रीम ऑफ मनी बैग. ओके. देन लैंसलॉट, I beseech you, sir, go. My young master doth expect your reproach. Then he says कि please, sir, go. My master expect to approach you. So he's just Lancelot is just telling to Shylock to please go, sir. My new master is expecting to come. So do I his. So Shylock बोलता है yes, I am expecting his reapproach. Then Lancelot, and they have conspired together. I will not say you shall see a masquerade. Then Lancelot बोलता है कि they have been plotting things together, means they have been arranging different things together, and I am not saying that you will get a masquerade party, but if you do, then it was not for nothing. Then he says that, but means I don't think that you will get a masquerade party, but if you do, I predicted it. Means I predicted it. Means I can think that yeah, it can be. That my nose fell a bleeding on Black Monday last at 6 o'clock in the morning. Falling out that year on Ash Wednesday was 4 years in the afternoon. Now Lancelot is telling that कि I predicted it. I knew there would be a masquerade because when I got that bad omen of a bloody nose. ब्लडी नोज उसको हुआ था, मीन्स उसकी नाक जो थी वो ब्लडी नोज थी, मीन्स नोज से उसका ब्लड बह रहा था. और ईस्टर मंडे को, कब? ईस्टर मंडे को मॉर्निंग में 6 o'clock पे. एंड आफ्टर 4 years दिस हैपन सेम थिंग्स ऑन एश वेडनेसडे इन आफ्टरनून. मीन्स एश वेडनेसडे क्या है? On this day people put ashes on his forehead. मीन्स फोरहेड पे वो लोग एशेस रखते हैं, दैट टू रिमाइंड दैट मैन मेड फ्रॉम डस्ट. सो एश वेडनेसडे को, मतलब पहले उसको ब्लैक मंडे को से उसकी नोज ब्लीड हुई थी 6 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग, और फिर 4 years बाद उसके बाद एश मंडे को फिर से वैसी ही नोज ब्लीड हुई थी आफ्टरनून में. सो ऐसा लैंसलॉट बोल रहा है कि येस देयर मे बी मैस्कुरेट पार्टी टुडे ऑल्सो. देन शाइलॉक सेज व्हाट आर दिस मैस्कुरेट. So he says that what, there is going to be a masquerade party. Then hear you me Jessica. Then वो बोलता है listen to me Jessica. Lock up my doors, and when you hear the drum and the wild squealing of the wicked thief, chamber not up to the casement then. Then he says that lock up my doors, and when you hear the drums, all the drums which was beaten by the Christians in the masquerade party, when you hear that drums and the flute. Now here this Wi-Fi, it's a flute, Basuri you can call in Hindi. So it's a flute. So when you lock up my doors, and when you hear the drum and the flute, chamber not up to the casement, means don't climb to the window to see that masquerade party. Not thrust your head into the public street, means don't look out of the window to see that masquerade party in the street. Don't stick your head onto the public street. And then he says that to gaze on Christians fools with vanished faces, means don't look out of the window to see that Christians fools with masks. Vanished faces means wearing a mask. But stop my house ears, I mean my casements. So he says that, but block all my house ears, means casements means windows. Casements means windows. Okay. Then let not the sound of shallow foppery enter my sober house, means then he is telling that don't let the noise of that foolish fellows enter my serious house. That sober house means peaceful or serious house. By Jacob's staff I swear I have no mind of feasting for tonight, but I will go you before me, Sirha, say I will come. Then he says that if I swear I am not in mood to go to the dinner tonight, but anyway I'll go. Lancelot, Sirha means he is telling to servant only. Servant को ही address कर रहा है वो कि जाओ and tell that I will come. Then Lancelot कहता है, I will go before you, sir. Mistress, look out at window. For all this, there will be a Christian by, will be worth a Jewish eye. Now here, Lancelot बोल रहा है कि I'll go before you, sir. And then he is telling to Jessica, mistress, be on to the lookout when you are staring out of the window. Means be assured when you are staring out of the window and a Christian coming who will be a Jewish glance, means who will be seen for a Jewish, कि Jewish की आई के लिए वो देख रहा होगा, मतलब जू को देख रहा होगा. जू कौन है यहाँ पे? जेसिका. So he is just telling indirectly that Lorenzo will be there and he is searching for you. Then Shylock, what says that fool of Hagar's offspring? Ha. Then he says that, what did that fool see? Hagar's offspring means that fool. Okay. So is that what that fool is telling? Hagar's offspring means Gentile fool. Say to you. Then Jessica, his words were farewell, misters, nothing else. So Jessica बोलती है कि he said goodbye, madam, nothing else. Shylock, the patch is kind enough. Means patch means here patch means fool only. So he is just telling कि the patch is kind enough means that fool is nice, but a huge feeder means he eats a lot. Snail slow in profit means he works so slowly, means he is as slow as a snail when he works, and he sleeps by day more than the wild cat. Means that he says that he sleeps all the day like a cat. Drones hive not with me. Then he says that bees that don't work can't stay in my hive. Means जो लोग काम नहीं करते हैं, they cannot live in my house. Therefore I part him, means therefore I let him go. To one that I would have him help to waste his borrowed purse. Means he says that so I am letting him go, handing off to Bassanio so that Lancelot can waste Bassanio's money for his new purse. Okay. The man who borrowed money from me, मतलब बसानियो ने borrowed की थी. So वो बोलता है कि मैंने लैंसलॉट को लेट किया, बसानियो को जाने के लिए कहा, मतलब जाने के लिए ठीक है, ओके यू कैन गो, ताकि बसानियो का वो पैसा वेस्ट कर सके लैंसलॉट. और अगर इससे क्या होगा, अगर बसानियो का पैसा वेस्ट होगा, तो शाइलॉक एंटोनियो से रिवेंज ले सकता है. क्यों रिवेंज ले सकता है? राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके. Well, Jessica, go in. Perhaps I will return immediately. Do as I bid you. Shut doors after you. Fast been, fast find. A proverb never stale in thrifty mind. Now here says, anyway, Jessica, just go inside and I might come back soon as possible. And as I told you, now lock up the doors or shut the doors after I'll go. Now he used the proverb like, lock up things and you will find it safe. He is just using a proverb that if you lock up things, you will find it safe. See, here it is. If you lock up things, you will find it safe. So here sometimes ask कि fast bid, fast find. इसका मतलब क्या है? So you have to write if you lock up things, you will find it safe. Okay. Then farewell. Jessica बोलती है farewell, and if my fortune be not crossed, I have a father and you a daughter lost. Then he says, then Jessica says that कि okay, goodbye, and if luck is with me, then I lost a father and you lost a daughter. So just she is telling that कि okay bye. जैसे उसने कहा, शाइलॉक ने ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर जेसिका ने कहा कि ओके बाय, एंड अगर लक मेरे साथ हुआ तो आई विल लूज माई फादर एंड यू विल लूज योर डॉटर. ओके, दिस इज फॉर Act 2 Scene 5. Here Act 2 Scene 5 ends. In my next video I'll start with Act 2 Scene 6. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.